My name is Stephanie Burke. I'm the VP of Marketing for Sana Commerce. Sana Commerce has been working with MS Dynamics World now for about 3 years. Microsoft Dynamics World programs supplement our marketing strategy. We view them as a third-party vendor that we can go to ramp up our lead generation efforts, specifically hosting webinars. We've done some sponsored white paper sends, so we provide a white paper that we think is interesting within the Dynamics community, and Microsoft Dynamics World pushes that out to their database, and we get access to all the leads that interact with that content. The great thing about working with MS Dynamics World is they understand the channel, and the contacts that they get us access to are not only prospects of Sana, but our partners as well. So one thing that's been pretty unique with marketing activities that we've done with MS Dynamics World is that it's not only bringing us leads, but also potentially new contacts at partner accounts that play on the long-term relationship that we try to build within the channel. My advice to ISVs who haven't tested out marketing programs with MS Dynamics World would be to explore the program that they have available to us. There's a lot of different options, so I think you can make a small investment, you can do a full-scale campaign. There's really a lot of options, and it's worthwhile to test it out.